Meowcraft presents Aeronautics and Space Administration. Before we start, I need to tell you about our website, which you can find in the description or right here. Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to see distant galaxies? Well, with CASA you can take to the skies. Let's see how. The Visitor Center is an astonishing place for people to enjoy their stay and relax, and also go on tours of our facility. It contains gift shop and all-you-can-eat restaurant. The center of our production is the spaceship factory. Here, special vehicles are made, rockets are tested, and rocket plating is made from carbon nanotubes, and a layer of heat shields is added to them. The canteen is one of the aspects that come with the hotel. Here, visitors can have breakfast, lunch and dinner, and even see inside of the kitchen. The reactor is one of our sources of power, but it is the most effective one. The hotel is a beautiful place for our visitors to stay. It is connected to the canteen and fitness center. The laboratory is a place where experiments take place and where visitors can learn all about physics. The graphite mine is where we get all our graphite, which is then made into carbon nanotubes. The fitness center is a place where visitors can exercise if they want to. The diamond mine is another part of our production, where diamonds are mined and along with sand made into hardened glass. The food chain is where we test if our foods are suitable for eating in space and if they last long. The lighthouse guides boats not to crash, since our experts need to work 24/7. The launch bay is mostly a testing area for our rockets and vehicles. Thank you so much for watching our video. We would like to thank NVIDIA's and IoT Lab for help and support, and see you all next time. Goodbye.